Once you're in Cornwall, head west on the A30 until you reach the Victoria interchange. Start following signs for Roche Station, which is on the B3274. This interchange is based on the double roundabout system. Nice windmill. You'll probably get fuel here cheaper than at the services, and it's really close by. Carry on following signs for Roche Station. This was a bit of a scary moment. A single vehicle width bridge. The town of Roche. There are plenty of traffic calming measures around here. Lots of local shopping opportunities. We're turning left at this roundabout and we'll turn right immediately afterwards. Not far to St Austell in the other direction. The roads are slippery, narrow and twisty. Be careful. Someone else was in quite a hurry. Almost there now, the town of Whitemoor. This hedge overhangs the road quite a bit. St Denis is close by. Turn right at the White Wall. The tennis courts nearby were opened by the Duke of Edinburgh. The final stage of the journey will be quite narrow and twisty. Now that looks like a nice place to have a CL. Park just before the yellow sign, which is on the right hand side. Once we checked in, we flew the drone a little.
This CL site has 5 acres of wooded dog walking area attached. It's really lovely, peaceful and secluded. The site owner loves dogs and even gave a bag of treats for Dottie and Milo during the stay.
I don't know very much about electricity, but I do know you mustn't lick it.
Dottie and Milo loved their walks in this wooded area. We went several times every day. I think the scent of rabbits could be smelt here, and I think they really missed it when they left.
Whose caravan is that? We're on Twitter.
Let's take a tour of Frenton Farm CL and see what facilities we have on site. Here we have a water tap with sanitizer attached to the side. This is the entrance to the site. It operates a one-way system, so you drive in up to the top here to the top of the driveway. And once you've checked in, you then drive across the field and over to your pitch site. And then when you leave, you come down this gravelled patch here to a gate, the only gate I've ever seen with a jockey wheel attached to it. And you depart through here. The only downside was the poo bin was right at the end of the driveway down here. This is the entrance to the second field. There seem to be 2 fields, each for 5 pitches. We were in the field all by ourselves. No other caravans or motorhomes joined us during our stay. We have another water point here, again with hand sanitizer attached. And a little seated area here with a rather scary looking bear. This is the waste and recycling point. When you check in, the owner gives you a map and tells you which dustbin you've been designated. And then moving over, we have the chemical waste disposal point and also the grey water disposal point. This site cost us £13 per night. That included electric, 2 dogs, and we could have also had an awning if we wanted, all included in that £13 a night. Here we have the electric hookup points. You will need to use an extension lead on this site to hook up to either of the points.
Join us on a day trip to Constantine Bay.
Constantine Bay is situated on the Atlantic coast of North Cornwall. It is approximately 3 miles west of Padstow and has a sandy beach and is very popular with surfers. There are lifeguards that patrol during the summer months.
We're on Facebook. Let's have a quick look at neighbouring Boobys Bay. It would be rude not to.
took a day trip to Charlestown to visit my cousin who lives in St Austell. Charlestown is located about a mile outside of St Austell, and it is an amazingly pristine, unspoiled example of a late Georgian working port. We didn't get time to explore much, and is definitely a location we would like to return to in the future.
We're on Instagram.
After a lovely 3 days at Frenton Farm, it was time to pack up and head off home. Some of our viewers had requested that they'd like to see what it looked like from inside the caravan whilst you were driving. So here's some footage of us hitching up the caravan and us heading off home. If anyone would like us to include anything specific in any of our videos, please just drop us a comment. We're always happy to consider suggestions. For the more eagle-eyed viewers amongst you, you'll have noticed that yes, I'm towing the caravan home. Pete and I are both able to tow, and we like to share the responsibility and the workload. So Pete drove to the site, so I'm going to drive home.
We had to make a quick deposit in the dog poo bin.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, why not support us on Ko-fi and buy us a virtual coffee?
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.